So recently, with the so-called Hurricane Hillary hitting Southern California, I noticed that the RV has some leaks in it. So gonna have to fix those, right? So I got this stuff. This is Eternalbond. It's like this really kick-ass tape. It's like, I don't know, it's like a kind of like a lap sealant type sealant putty. Underneath this clear little, you can't really see the clear peak, but you peel it off and there it is. And then you peel that off and then it's sticky. And then on top, it's like vinyl rubber. Works really good. Put it over seams and creases and cracks and leaks and whatever. And it's supposed to seal it out. But I've been applying it the last hour or so. Man, it's some good stuff. It's definitely thick. It's definitely sticky. And it's probably the strongest tape I've ever seen. How long it's going to last, I don't know. A lot of good stuff on it on YouTube. In fact, there's a better video if you're looking on how to apply this stuff. You can watch mine, I'll show you, but I don't do nearly as good of a job as this one guy who made a video. It's like 50 minutes long. It's called Eternalbond something trailer. It's a 50-minute video. The guy's real anal. He's real detail, attention oriented, but does a really good job. Mine's ugly and messy, but it's functional, so that's what I did. One roll covers about, if you do a good job and you're conservative, you cover a 22-foot RV. I was sloppy and messy, so I did a roll and a half. And after that, I'm going to lay down this stuff. The rubber roof, the Stir Bright white, what does that say? Elastomeric roof coating? Yeah, it's like rubber basically. Yep. And hopefully that'll fix the leaks. But I'll show you how to go about doing this. And if Eternalbond sees this video, just send me another roll and I'll make a proper video on how kick-ass your product is. Yeah, because it is kick-ass. But as you see, I'm almost out. I would like a spare one. Yeah, hint. Okay, going on up on the roof and I'll show you what's up. It's going to be a little loud. I'm next to the freeway. All right, up on the roof. So, as you can see, Eternalbond, it's right here. Lay it down, smooth it out, cover all the seams where it's leaking. Like my ugly mess here, but yeah. All the way down. Let's do this to the whole roof. All your cutouts. Now I'm going to lay down this rubber roof with this brush. I'll let you know how it goes. Well, this is kind of like you'd imagine. Definitely going to need a couple coats of this. It's going on pretty thin. We're going to go right over the tape. Yeah. RV is 30 years old. Actually, it's a little bit more than 30 years old. So this is the first time this has been done. Everything up here is original. So I'll show you the final product when I'm done. Well, I got the first coat down. Fortunately, I dicked around and not gonna have time to get the second coat down because, as you see, the sun's about to set and dew will be collecting at any time now. In fact, it's probably should have waited to do this till tomorrow, but hopefully the condensation and dew won't sit on here for another hour or two and give us hopefully a chance to skin up. Although with 80% humidity out here, I think I'm kind of shit out of luck, but oh well. Thank God I have a lot of this. I got 2 gallons of this stuff and I only used half a gallon to do this roof. So if I gotta put 4 coats on, I will. Yeah, it's really easy to apply, just like paint. We'll see what happens when I get the final coats on. I just painted right over the Eternalbond. Why not, right? Extra seal. Although that Eternalbond's pretty kick-ass. I don't really see that it needs any more seal, but you never know.